welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our infrared night vision torch. So we do have much bigger and brighter infrared illuminators, but this is our pocket portable torch. So basically the top screws off and it just takes one AA battery. So you can keep that in your pocket as well as a few more batteries, so it'll literally last you days. It has a button on the top to turn it on and off, so you only click it once and it stays on, click it again and it stays off. Obviously you've got your light on the end, so you can't see the light from this with your own eyes. If you was to look into it when it's on, all you'd see is a red dot. So the light can't be seen from your eyes, and it also can't be seen from a standard camera. This is for use with a night vision camera or a full spectrum camera only, and it is quite bright and does cover a good area for the size, so it's something we use ourselves. It really is a good little torch. So if you like one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.